YISORA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. High-power cleaning meets smart convenience. The YISORA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a powerhouse in home cleaning. Designed for those who want efficiency, power, and convenience in one sleek device. With a robust 300W brushless motor delivering 30,000 pascals of powerful suction, it effortlessly picks up dust, debris, and stubborn pet hair from carpets, hardwood floors, and hard-to-reach edges. Equipped with a removable battery, this vacuum provides up to 55 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, making it ideal for larger homes. The intelligent LED touchscreen display lets you monitor battery life, suction mode, and maintenance alerts at a glance. The freestanding design makes storage hassle-free, and with 2 suction modes, you can easily switch between surfaces. The V-shaped roller brush and 4 bright LED lights ensure thorough cleaning even in dark corners, while the adjustable extension tube, 86 to 107 centimeters, adds ergonomic comfort for users of all heights. Its 1L dustbin offers ample space and can be emptied with just one click, keeping your hands clean. The 6-in-1 advanced filtration system captures 99.99% of microscopic dust for cleaner air, making it a perfect choice for allergy sufferers. Please note, the HEPA filter is not washable and should be replaced regularly. Add in its quiet operation less than 70 dB and dual charging options, and the YISORA Cordless Hoover is a modern cleaning essential, powerful, lightweight, and designed to make your everyday cleaning faster and fresher.